Jah
Rastafari.
Rastafari. And this is why we ask ancient Bungo Jordan to speak on, to give us a historical review of Rastafari from the time of Leonard Howell. And to this hour, give thanks.
Really high. Yes, from the time trading up, you have Leonard P. Howell first as the first judge, then Marcus Garvey. After, you have many prophets rise up. For you have the house of Bono G. You have the Rastafari, house of what them call differences. And you have many houses towards the fullness of Rastafari, Bobo Shanti and all them. But the first stage of Rasta rising in Bakawal, that is university for the ancients of days, for I and I yard without no one at the first point to say where I and I going from, where I and I coming from. But it's just imperial, the power of his imperial majesty which manifests within I and bring first the vision that I and I could have tried and to come to. While when you tried it up, we meet up and many different impulses coming through, saying that they coming from, some coming through 12 tribes, all run down pan the bottom you have Orthodox, and many more of them. Yet everyone calling upon the same Rastafari, His Imperial Majesty, Haile Selassie. So within such fullness, here we are this day, coming out of the back of war for them take it away from I and I within a time. Boston Manti had down to and fight against I and take it away and leave I and I outside and say that over his dead body, no Rasta in the country. So they have to capsize I and move I and I from Foreshore Road, Trenchtown, and all through the earth. So them scatter I and I, so as to defeat I and I, that they should see no more Rasta in the country. But through the power of His Majesty, keep I and I round and about, and keep I and I that I and I could stand right now to fulfill this cause of His Imperial Majesty, Haile Selassie. So all those other denominations that round and about within the fullness of Rasta, everyone have to come together and to the ancient of days in this time. So here we are together speaking about organized and centralized. Brethren from all over must come together and know themselves as one. We are one foundation, sons and daughters of His Imperial Majesty. No division, no stay away, no subtract and take away. I and I must walk within the one order, the order of the divine theocracy reign, order of the Naya Bengi. From that time until this time must remain first and forever and die for more. Really I, Haile Selassie, Jah Rastafari, our Almighty, true divine worship from that time until this time and forevermore. Hallelujah.
Jah Rastafari.
Rastafari.
And this is why we ask ancient priests and Bungo Jordan to speak on the liberty of Rastafari.
Really high. Haile Selassie. Within the fullness of His Imperial Majesty, Haile Selassie, I and I know the first step is cleanliness. And within cleanliness, we know that it coming through the word love, which is the foundation of this faith. Knowing that this faith is built upon love, for where there is no love, there is no perfection that anyone can even desire. So here the power of His Imperial Majesty, who treaded the winepress in the face of the wrath from 1930 when he have been crowned, 2nd of November. Behold our Hydrain Percival Howell, who come and lay a foundation towards the fullness of his imperial majesty from 1931, shadow. That each and every man can hear that the new king is born. Emperor Haile Selassie, the Rastafari, the Almighty, and bring forth all his portrait unto the nation to show them that is the portrait of the new king. Haile, King Selassie, the Rastafari. And he have been persecuted, for he had come to Jamaica, went to his city that he birthed, that is Red Hills, Clarendon, and make a charge from there, for the nation did not accept him. And he make a charge to St. Thomas. While he was in St. Thomas, it was the same. Persecution all around. For heist the red, gold, and green, and to chant the name Jah Rastafari through the earth. He was being persecuted and destroyed by the enemies round and about. So he had was to leave again and to reach within the city. And he tried the city and tried to St. Catherine within due season and administer there, where he doeth everything within the fullness of his majesty. Gather the nation, show them the light, move within the administration, and to keep the commandments of his majesty Emperor Haile Selassie. And it was the thing that they take and defeat him many times. He have to be in prison, and out of prison, he have to be in jail, out of jail, and find himself tormented round and about his own place that he prepared to live. For the hands of the enemies, which was Babylon, daily round and about his place, digging it up all about, for all different kind of elements which him know not have. So he was being tormented all along his journey until the moment when they have crucified him. Here I and I stand within the fullness of his majesty, and to know that the words are cleanliness and uprightness unto I and I. I and I never let go, so I and I hold on until even this moment. I and I still walk it within the light. And remember also the 16th of Ibib, which was our dear Leonard Percival Howell Earth Strong. Yearly, from the last about 15 years now, I and I remember it and keep it strong. So as to, upon such time, I and I full joys within the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie. And remember that our brethren Leonard Percival Howell, who had trod through and lived that as his tradition unto I and I, to manifest that which he bring first unto I and I, the fullness of the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords, Emperor Haile Selassie, Jah Rastafari. So even until now, we are looking for the 16th of Ibib coming up at the pinnacle where he was at the time, and the government have taken it over and fighting against you and I to condemn it, but you and I still fighting against them to take it in charge, to show that it is a foundation of Leonard Percival Howell, who treaded the winepress in the fears of the wrath of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie, Jah Rastafari, now and forever. So and I say, behold how good and how pleasant it is for I and I brethren and sisters to dwell together in one love, one unity, one strength. Like the precious ointment upon the head, ran upon the precepts, even I and I precepts that went up to the skirt of my garment. Like the dew of Iman, the dew that had sent upon the mount of Zion. For dear Haile King Selassie, Jah Rastafari had commanded his blessing, even life and love forever and and die for more. Hallelujah. Rastafari.